Good morning, everyone. So morning yoga is very beneficial for your entire day because you will be feeling fresh and energetic. We'll do some light morning stretches in this video, so stay tuned. We'll start with a gentle prayer. So we'll chant Om with a deep inhale. Take deep inhale throughout your nostril. Om. Let's set some good intention towards today's session and for our entire day. Rub your hands. Keep your hands on your eyes and slide your fingers. So we'll start with the gentle warm-ups. Both hands up, inhale, and slowly drop down. Bring your chin towards your chest. Let your shoulders move and feel the stretch on your spine. Inhale. Exhale, drop. In the morning, our body is really stiff, so give a good stretch to your entire muscles, your joints. Do the lateral stretch. Center, bring your hands forward, make fist, squeeze your hands and rotate. Feel those joints you're going to use throughout the day. Go out and around with a smile on your face. Let's hold your opposite elbow. Take your arms up and give a good stretch. Release your hands. Now interlock your fingers, roll your shoulders back, open your chest, look up. Feel your chest opening. And release. Hands on your knees, drop your chin towards your chest, look up towards right side. Drop down, look up towards left. Let's warm up our legs. So tap your legs to wake up your leg muscles. Flex your feet and release your breath. Extend. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Rotation clockwise. Feel your ankles and go clockwise. Both feet together, hands on your feet, tap. Relax. And let's use the block for the nice back stretch. So lie down on your mat. Place the block under your upper back. Extend your arms over to your head and feel that stretch. You can also use the roll towel if you do not have grip. This is very good for your back pain. Now let's shift the block under our lower back. Under the stretch. sit back. Let's do some twisting. Spine straight, bend your knee. Cross your leg, hold your leg with the left arm, other arm back, look back. Use your neck muscle. Bring it forward. Release. Repeat on left. Let's release all that stiffness from our body, preparing our mind, our body for a very beautiful day. Now hands back. Hands should be slightly back from your hip line. Roll your shoulders back. Extend your feet, look up. Bend your knees. If this is in your practice, lift up. Drop down. Up. Down. One more time, up. And drop. Both feet together. Hands forward. Hands to the right. Hand to the front. Inhale. Let go towards left. Hands forward. Bending from our hips. Leaning forward. Come back. Feel that opening on your hip joints. Now stay here with your forearms on the mat. If you're not here today, you can always extend your arms and stay here, or also you can use the block. Let's close down with a gentle prayer. So hands front of your chest, eyes closed. And let's be grateful for a healthy body and breaths and mind. Pray for the entire world. Loka samastha sukhino bhavantu. Loka samastha sukhino bhavantu. Loka samastha sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you so much for joining me today again. If you like this video, please share with your family and friends and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.